Here is how you can change your region on Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your region or country on Epic Games. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. Then after, in the search bar, type Epic Games change region. As you search that, you will get varieties of results. Click on how do I change the country on my Epic Games account result, which is the official website of Epic Games. Then after, it will take you to a page like this. Read all the details carefully. Changing your country or region changes the prices of various games, softwares and services. So there is a strict policy regarding changing your region. As you can see here, you can update your country once every 6 months. However, in order to change your place, you will have to be in that specific place or country. Now, in order to change the country, click on this click here option. Then after, you will get a page like this. Click on click here once again. This is the actual place where you can change your country or region. You can also access to this page by logging into your account and going to this account section. As you scroll below in account settings, you will find this address section. Now, in order to change your country, click on this drop down menu and select the country of your choice. For now, let's select a random country. After you have selected the new country, simply click on Save Changes and your country settings will be saved. In this way, you can easily change your country or region on Epic Games. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.